Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'll show you one by one YouTube algorithm and also YouTube SEO tutorial. Most of the time you people are stuffing about the views and also you are not getting views from your videos because of lack of SEO and also algorithm misunderstanding and everything. So if you want to increase your video views and if you want to make your video viral, then you need to follow algorithm rules and also follow the SEO rules. So here is the full tutorial, full course I made for you to make your video viral and also understand how to create content for everything, for every niche. Like if you are a blogger or a doctor or anything, then you can follow these rules. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand the YouTube algorithm tutorial. Algorithm means like right now in 2025, algorithm is very updated. So algorithm is telling us that you need to create content about our rules, not by your rules. You are creating content like 1 hour duration or anything. This is not professionalism. You can follow these rules. I am doing one by one and also giving the full idea how you can create content, how you can do the SEO and also your thumbnail optimization and everything. Okay. So here is the YouTube algorithm tutorial. First of all, you need to understand the algorithm rules. For algorithm rules, you can see for long videos. For long videos, you can create your content by this rule. Video must be low duration. Your video must be in low duration. If your video is about tutorial or podcast related, this is not mandatory. But if you are creating your content like a blogging or anything like a good content, funny content or anything, then you need to follow these rules. 5 to 7 minutes. If you are creating your video 10 minutes, that is also good. But remember, try to maintain the 5 to 7 minute rules as a new creator. So why I'm suggesting you to create 5 to 7 minutes video? Because over duration videos are not perfect for gaining viewer satisfaction. You know what? This time viewer satisfaction is the main source of audiences. When your audience will satisfy or will be satisfied by your content, then they will like your content, then they will comment your content and also they will share your content. When algorithm will see people are loving this content, people are watching this full video and also people are spending their time in this video, then they will promote your videos in various type of people. Okay, so you need to follow this rule as a first rule. Now the second rule will be audience retention must be good. What is audience retention? Audience retention means viewer is spending time. If your video duration is 10 minutes, then audience are spending their full time like 10 minutes. This is the audience retention. But suppose you are creating 1 minute video and people are spending their time just 1 second. That is not audience retention. You must maintain 10%, minimum 10% audience retention. Suppose if I show you from my one of the video analytics, when you will open your one video, then you can see in the overview option the retention, typical retention. Here you can see the key moments for audience retention. My last momentum was 5%. So you need to must be maintain the audience retention over 10%. If it is under 10%, then it will be harmful for your videos and you are not getting views regularly or day by day. It will stop in a moment. Okay, you can see I got 50,000 like 58,000 views in my video, but I have seen that this number of views was like 7 days ago and it is also here. So the views is stopped because of audience retention is right now not good. Okay, so you need to follow this as well. The third will be retention duration. What is retention duration? Suppose if your videos are creating by you and also you create one video 10 minutes and your viewers spending their time just 1 minute, that will be not good audience retention duration. So if you want to maintain audience retention duration, then you need to add something extra here so that people can must be watch your 50% of one video. Okay, suppose you are creating one video in 10 minutes, then if the audiences spend their 50% or 5 minutes, then you can see a better result from your video. Okay, so you need to follow this rule as well. Then CTR calculation must be over 6%. What is CTR? CTR means click-through rate. You can see the CTR from the reach option. You can see 5.1% the total impression click-through rate. You can see here 5.1%. So for this video is mine. For this video, you can see the CTR is 5.1% and I got the views from the suggested videos, other YouTube feature, browse feature. These are the main source of audiences. This is YouTube algorithm. Okay, you will not get any views from the search result. You will get just 0%. Like you can see, I get just 2.6% views from YouTube search. But if I show you the suggested videos, other videos, browse feature, these three advanced feature will be called by YouTube algorithm like a good or viral option. Okay, but here you can see this YouTube search option, there is no views here. So SEO is not dead, it is working. If your video is searchable, then you can watch some of the videos, or then you can see here the views from YouTube search. But most of the time, this time algorithm is very updated, so you need to prove yourself to YouTube algorithm that you are creating good content, nice content and professional content, so that they can promote your videos in various type of people. So you can see here are the audience growth and also algorithm places. Okay, so CTR, I'm talking about CTR. You need to maintain CTR over 6%. You can see here is, I already mentioned 6%, but here is just 5.1%. So my CTR is down because last time I have seen that there is over 7%, but right now it is down, and now I need to fix this. Okay, if I fix it, then we can expect a better views. So CTR, how you can calculate the CTR? The total impression, you can divide your total impression by your views, then you can see the 5.1% or your impression click through rate. Okay, the 5 number will be thumbnail optimization. Thumbnail is the main topic. First of all, this time algorithm rules is right now like this. First of all, when you will upload your video, then algorithm will deliver your video in 10,000 people. Then people will watch your only thumbnail and title. They will not see your video duration or anything. They will see only thumbnail and title. When they will see that, if people like 100 people view your video, then they deliver your video in 100 people, like YouTube algorithm. Then if your audiences click on this video, like from 100, 40% people click on the video and 60% people are not clicking on this video, then you can expect a better views, because first 40% views is very important for us for getting a views from YouTube algorithm. Okay, so here you can see I already told you that thumbnail optimization is the very important thing. Thumbnail is a critical for a video to viral, because if your thumbnail is clickable, our video will be surely be viral. So you need to add something extra momentum in your thumbnail. You can encourage your audiences to click on your video, and also you need to match your video topics with YouTube thumbnail, because this is very important. Okay, the 6 will be 1 minute spending time rules for viewers. What is 1 minute spending time for rules for viewers? 1 minute spending time means your audience must be watch your video over 1 minute. Like if I told you my video total views is 100, now if 40% people is viewed by over 1 minute, then you can call this 1 minute percentage, like 1 minute views. Okay, so you need to add some tragic moment or tragic footages in your first 30 to 60 seconds, so that your viewers can watch the full video. Okay, and the 7 will be use the best microphone, because audio is essential. You can ask every creator, like big creators, what is your main source of audiences, then they will tell you the audio. Okay, and also the best camera for capturing the video. The short, YouTube short videos. Which rules for short videos? This is only for long videos. Now let me tell you the short rules. The short rules is video duration must be 25 to 40 seconds, not over 45 seconds. Okay, I'm telling you that you need to create your videos 30 to 45 seconds, and if it is under 40, then you can expect a better views, because long videos, like you are uploading over 50-second plus video, then it will not be good for your algorithm, because algorithm always prefer that you can create your videos over 30 to 35 seconds. It will be good. Okay, now video should be uploaded from mobile to use thumbnail. So if you want to get the better views, then you can upload your shorts from your mobile, because desktop doesn't allow you to upload your thumbnail, but mobile can allow you to upload your thumbnail, because thumbnail is very important for every videos. People will click on your video by seeing your thumbnail. Okay, don't use too many hashtags. You can use only short, trending, this type of hashtag. Don't need to be used like 5, 10 or 100 plus hashtags. Most of the hashtags will be harmful for your videos, because hashtag will categorize your videos in a specific category. When you will use lots of videos, then your video will be like lots of hashtag, then your video will be in various category. Then algorithm will be confused. Which category should you provide and should your audience see? Okay, then 3 to 5 second hook use. What is 3 to 5 second hook? 3 to 5 second hook means you can use tragic moment, extra footage, like audience capturing moment. Audience will see, and they will also forced to be seen by your others. Okay, audio should be yours. When you will create your videos, then your audio should be your, not using from others music or anyone. Okay, so these are the rules for algorithm for long videos and for the short videos. I hope you understand about this. Now let me talk about what is YouTube SEO. So what is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO means search engine optimization that will help you to show your videos on the first page of YouTube search and also in Google search. And also it will involves like technical SEO and also like including SEO. You can fix your video titles, description, metadata, on page, off page, and also the thumbnail optimization, and also research keywords for your video text. Okay, suppose if I search how to learn YouTube SEO in YouTube, then you can see lots of tutorials will show you and also will appear in the first term and the first page of first line. You can see this one, this one, this one. So these are the YouTube SEO tutorial, and this is the keywords. So I will show you how to research keyword, and you can add them in your video title so that when people will search with your keyword related video or with your video related keyword, then your video can appear in the first line like this type of videos. Okay, so for this, first of all, you need to understand your niche, and also you need to do the keyword research first. This is the main source of audiences, the keyword research. This is very important for identifying the keywords or phrases that users are likely to search for when looking for content similar to yours. This keyword should be relevant. So for researching the keywords, you can use Keyword Tool IO, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. Keyword Tool IO will help you to identify the keywords, and also you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT also help you to identify the keywords. Okay. So first of all, I'll use Keyword Tool IO. I'll give the link of this document file in the video description, or you can find it from this tool called Boostify. Okay. Boostify is very important tool. You can collect the document file from this tool by entering your email, and also this tool will help you to make your website faster and also make your website SEO and also SEO friendly, because this tool is very important for those people who have website but don't have the doing for manual SEO. Okay, you can see here is the option for entering the email. You can enter your email, and after that you can use this tool for your website to do AI SEO. You don't need to do the manual SEO or anything. This tool will help you to do your SEO, technical SEO, and also others on page, off page. It will do. Okay, you can use this tool. Okay, let's go back in the Keyword Tool IO. So I'll use keywords for my YouTube, right? So for this, I'm doing here the seed keyword like YouTube video SEO course, and for where, global, or type a country. I want to generate the keywords for United States. Suppose United States, country in English, search here. Then you can see this tool will help you to identify lots of keywords, like lots of keywords they will identify. But I will use ChatGPT. Here you can see there are lots of keywords, but this tool will not help you to give you the full keywords position or anything. So I am copying these keywords, and after that, here is the copy option. I'll go to the ChatGPT. Then I'll paste it here, everything. Then I'll tell ChatGPT, can you identify the ranked keywords from them? Then ChatGPT will help you to identify the best keywords from these keywords. Okay, here are, you can see. And also the another method is you can go to the YouTube, and after that you can search here YouTube SEO course. Here you can see lots of suggestions are already there, or you can use here SEO course. Here you can see lots of result and lots of information are there. So you can copy this full. How you can copy this? Just take a screenshot for those keywords and then go to the images.google.com, and then paste your photo. Then you can see you can copy this photo text. Okay, here is the photo. I'll copy full information from here. Copy. Then I'll also give them to the ChatGPT to identify the best keywords. The best keywords. Then you can see they will identify the best keywords for me, and after that they will give me. Here you can see the keywords are here. Now getting the course related or keyword related idea, then we'll find out the keywords score, which keywords is best and which keyword is working well. After getting the keywords related score related keyword, then we'll identify one of them, which one is very rankful. So first of all, suppose if I show you this keyword score, then you need to search it here, and after that hit enter. Then you can see here is the keyword state will be shown in here. Just one more thing, you need to also upload here one tool or install one tool like called TubeBuddy. So I'm signing up with TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, you can find it from Google by searching TubeBuddy, and you can see here is the TubeBuddy option, but you need to go to your web store so that you can add it into Chrome extension. Okay, so let me show you where is I'm there. This one. Okay, I'm selecting my information, and after that I'm again selecting, click on continue. Okay, now I'm searching with here SEO course for beginners. Now you can see my show keyword states or show keywords score here. You can see one option here. Just click on this, then TubeBuddy will show you if this keyword is good or not. You can see this keyword is very good option and the search volume is excellent and competition is fair. Right now it is good. Okay, if your competition is fair or if your search volume is good, then you can take this keyword for your videos. So I hope you understand about this. So I found out one keyword, but I will research minimum 10 plus keywords. I again search with this. Now you can see here is another one. Okay, show keyword score. Here you can see this one is excellent. Search volume, competition, 100 and 100 score, overall score. So I can take this keyword very carefully. Okay, so here you can see if I take this keyword, then I can put them in our video titles, video description, and also in metadata and others. Okay, so here is the keyword research option. You can use TubeBuddy or vidIQ, anyone. And first of all, you will research the keywords from keyword tool, and after that you will put them into ChatGPT, then they will find it. And also you can get the suggestion keyword from the YouTube, then you can also use this. After getting the keywords, then you can check the keyword score by your TubeBuddy tools, and after that you can take the keywords and make them a note. Okay, so now here is the part 1 for YouTube new algorithm SEO course. Okay, so the first part 1 will be our algorithm rules, content creation rules, and the second will be our others. Okay, and also I have taught here the keyword research as well. So for the next part I'll show you another things for YouTube SEO. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and let's see on the second part.